Welcome to my channel. I am Yonnaglam. Subscribe to see more of my videos. Guess who got a package today? Me. It's from Luvme Hair, LuvmeHair.com. Look at this box. It's all nice and fancy and cute. I love the packaging. The first thing I saw when I opened the box was a message from Helena, the owner. It says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." Okay, Helena, I will. Ooh, goodie bag. Hey. There are all sorts of goodies in this bag. Let's explore, shall we? Luvme Bling Clip. Cute. Next thing blows my mind. Elastic band. They gave me an extra elastic band. Thank you. Next is a rat tail comb, black and sturdy. Look at that. You can never have too many hair clips. I lose them all the time. The next thing, tweezers. Yes, tweezers. They put tweezers in the goodie bag, y'all. Now, this looks fancy. Let's open it and see what it is. They are so thoughtful. Scarf to lay down those edges. Yes, get them flat, honey. Wig caps winning. Ooh la la, look at this case. I love it. Look at that shimmer and sparkle. Let's see the lashes they have inside. These are nice. Hey, you are beautiful. Thank you. There's a hair guide inside. If you open it, nice picture, you will see how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, frequently asked questions, and on the back, you have return and refund policies. And the moment you've been waiting for, the unit, also known as the wig. Check out this purple mesh bag. Even though they put the unit in a cute purple mesh bag, they still put a net over the unit to protect it. This is the ginger brown glueless wig from Luvme Hair. It is 180% density. It is pre-plucked. Look at that color, y'all. I've been wanting a ginger wig, y'all. Look at the color. It's very soft. I'm running my fingers through the hair, no tangles. The hair looks and feels very healthy. I had to smell the hair. It didn't have a bad smell or a strong chemical smell. It was kind of like a light shampoo smell, maybe. Someone might have curled the hair. As you can see, the curls are a little dead though. Look at that bounce. Ooh, yeah, spotty. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. The knots on this unit are not pre-bleached, so I will have to bleach them on my own. Elastic band, so to the unit, convenient, very convenient. This unit also includes adjustable straps. At the nape of the wig, there is a comb. There are also 2 side combs. There is also a comb at the crown at the head of the unit, and so there are 4 combs in this unit. They have this unit with the middle part. The knots are not bleached. Hopefully you can see that. One more time for that ginger color. Yeah. Yeah. You see it. Yeah. I'm so excited. I did the wig happy dance. Yes, I sure did. Okay, Glam Squad, let's have a chat. What you see is the top part with the laces is ombre into ginger. Okay? But when you lift the hair from the lace, underneath it, all of that is ginger color hair. That doesn't bother me. It's not a factor, but it may bother someone if you thought it was ombre throughout. Let's take a look at the hairline. It is pre-plucked. However, I will have to pre-pluck it on my own. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget, follow me on IG.